Let's get started. So in the previous session and so far we discussed all Linux basic commands and the main topic user management. So in the user management many topics we discussed, even the real-time scenarios, all the things I have explained. Okay. So most of the cases you will be working on the user related things only, user related queries, user related requests. Okay, and sometimes troubleshooting interesting things. You will be have a challenging tasks like user is unable to log in or user is facing some issues while login. Okay, so these kind of even sometimes they are not able to execute the commands. Specific user only cannot execute the commands. So this kind of scenarios, this kind of requests, okay, you will be getting in the real-time projects. So be careful with this user management. Even in the interviews also, you might be getting many queries, many questions from the interviewer on user related things. Fine. And also permissions also. Permissions is very, very important. Definitely you will get a question. Fine. Especially that symbolic mode. Straightforward questions. And we divided into three parts, right? Users permission, group permission, and other permissions. So they will ask, sometimes they will ask cross questions also on the permissions. Okay. There is another topic called ACL. Okay. That is the enhancement of our enhancement in the file permissions. Okay. So these only three categories: users, owners, others. Not only these permissions, on top of it, ACL is also there. But that is not much important. I mean, not required for you as your experience. But anyhow, we will discuss that also in end of the course. Okay. Topic called ACL, access control. Okay. So that is the user management. So now we will be discussing another interesting topic, which is software management. So this is what your administrator tasks. Okay. Regularly people are working on the software management. So here, as I told, we are learning the Linux administration course, right? So you should follow the Linux terminology itself. Okay. So normally software, this is the Windows terminology word. So here we have what called package. Okay. Package management. Package management, nothing but a same your software management only. Okay. But in the Linux terminology, you should call it as a package. Fine. So software package, all are same. Same word in the Android. What are the what is the name we are calling in the Android, guys? So everybody using mobiles, right? In the mobiles, what does you used to call application or short form app? That's it. App management. If you compare with this mobile, right? Then it's very easy, guys. Dead easy. Okay. The software management, how we are dealing in the Linux, right? The same as it is with your Android. Okay. So generally, how we are, let me open the paint. So how we are installing the packages, installing the apps in the mobile? Can anyone explain? With the help of Play Store. Can anyone explain the procedure? Play Store is fine. Can anyone explain the procedure? Okay. Fine. If it is not in the Android, if it's not in the Play Store, that is different scenario. So my question is how to install a app from the Play Store, step by step. Yes. Yes. Go ahead. Exactly. Okay. So let's assume this is my mobile. Inside my mobile, there is a field called Play Store. Okay. And it is there is a one more Play Store. Okay. So this Play Store, what we are calling as a it's a central Play Store. Okay. So plain central Play Store, and you can call it as this one is the local Play Store. Let's assume I want to install one software. It called like MX Player. MX Player is a one of the software, one of the app which we use to see the videos or movies, whatever. Okay. So my mobile is running with the Android, and here I have the Play Store, and here I will go and search from the search bar. I will type the MX Player. Then relevant apps all along with this MX Player, relevant players also will come. Okay. From do you think from where it is coming, guys? Exactly. So the Android guys, right? Android support, Android owners are maintaining one Play Store. That is the central Play Store. Okay, this Play Store is not only for your mobile, right? Your friend mobile also, your relatives mobile also. So many mobiles, crores of mobiles available, right? Nowadays, even people are using two or more mobiles. Okay, these all Play Stores, look, each and every mobile which is running with Android means definitely it should have the local Play Store. Okay, so this local Play Stores, fine. So whenever whoever wants to the install the application, simply go and type searching, and it will list out. Then simply click on the option called install. That's it. This is your job. That's it. Then what it will do? First it will go and it will download. Okay, it will download the things. Okay, the moment you install, right, it will download, then install. This is what happening. Okay, so download and install. Agree, guys? Agree? So this is what happening, guys. In the so the moment you search the any app, right? So then it will first download, then it will install on your device. This is what happening. That's it. Okay. So this application, right? This MX player or any games or any music systems or any other related all apps. Okay. So Android developers, the person who is developing this app, right? That person known as the Android developer, he will develop the app and he will link with the Android owners. Then they will place the application in the central Play Store. The moment app got placed here, right? Whoever having Android apps, Android devices, right? Those everybody can download this app. That's it. Okay. So this is what happening in the mobile. the same scenario. And remember here, this is the moment you click on this install means this is not only the install. In the backend, it will be downloading, then it install. This is what happening. Same scenarios, every as it is in the Linux also. Okay, in the Linux also same thing happening, guys. Let's assume this is your server. Okay, this is your server, and this is running with your server. What is the operating system, guys? We installed RHCL. So this is what the software. Okay, which means it is a Linux. Okay, so this is the Linux. Then this Red Hat owners, right? These guys are maintaining one place. So here the Play Store is, that is the Android terminology. So here what we need to call means we need to call it as a repository. Okay, so here you have a, this is the local repo. Here you have a central repo. Who is the owner of this repo means whatever the distribution you install, right? Those guys, RHEL, Red Hat is maintaining the central repo. Wherever the systems are running with the Red Hat, right? Those can access this central repo. Okay, fine. So here you need a software, you need a package. So what we are calling here package. Correct. Software, apps, all are same, but the terminology you should use because you are the technical guy, right? So you should use package. So the moment you can go on, so here we cannot click on, right? This is not the GUI, right? So this is the CLI. Okay, you can go with the commands. I will tell you the commands. You can go and give the command, then it will go on first it will go on search here. Okay, then if it is available, the package is available, then it will download and it will install. That's it, same scenario. It will download and it will get installed. Yes, yes. From central repo. Yes. Mm. That also I will explain in a while. Okay. That is what? That is what I explained here. Whoever the Android developers, right? So those guys, they will develop, and if they want to publish their application to the people, right? So definitely they have to keep in the under central Play Store. Okay. So here also our RHEL, okay, senior people, architectures or RHEL developers, okay, package developers, if they want to publish their packages to the people, right, then they will place here. Okay, and sometimes we will get a request like whatever the package not there in the repo, that request also you will get. We will discuss that also. Okay, so until here clear, just you have to use the command here, that's it. That command will go and fetch the package. Yes, yes. Yeah, everything I will explain. Don't worry. First, let me. I see you. Many of the people not came from the technical background. Okay, so that is the reason each and everything I am trying to explain. Don't worry. Each and everything we will discuss. I will explain. Okay. So whatever you are having the doubts, right? List out. All list out in your notepad or in your personal book. Okay. Then end of the session you can ask. Don't worry. Okay. So this is the way you can go and install the packages. Okay. This everything, right? This entire process known as the online installation. Okay. So explicitly you are not downloading the package. You just giving the command. That command will download the package and install. Okay. So you are not downloading. That is known as the online installation. How we are doing the mobile. Same process. Okay. So this is known as the online program. Then one more type is also available, which is offline. Offline installation, which means you have to download the package first. Okay. You have to download, then install. Okay. Which is not at all recommended in the real time. Okay. Remember, even in the interviews also, if sometimes if they ask how to install the package in offline means, of course there is a possibility, there is a feasibility. We can install the software, we can install the package in offline, but in our environment, in our project, okay, we are not at all encourage the people to do offline installation. Then immediately he will ask a question, why? Anybody guess why? Exactly. See, in your mobile, you can go and search the thing in the Play Store. If it is available, then fine, you can install. In case if it is not available, of course, you can go and download the package, download the app from browser. Then you can go and install. But it will clearly mention a message. Are you sure to download and install this file? Definitely it will prompt one message here. So which even some Android mobiles also, which will show this will be harmful to your device. It will clearly mention, guys. Okay. So will support nobody will suggest you to go and install the manually this download options. Okay. Always 99% you should go with the Play Store only. Why? Because this Play Store is maintaining by Android people, right? If something went wrong with this application, crores of people will affect. So that is the reason before placing this app here, right? They will do many checks. Okay. Any virus, any malwares, or any system effect things, or any other harmful things, everything, each and everything they will check and verify. Then they will give sign off. Then people are placing here. The moment they placed here means then it should be fine to everyone. That is what we are not at all encouraging to download manually and install the apps in your mobile, right? In the same way, here also, sometimes you will get a request. Hi Linux team, we want to install one package. The package name is this one, so and so. Then you have to come and first you can verify here whether this package is available here or not. You have to verify. If it is available, then fine, we are good to install. In case it is not found, then you can revert back with that guy, revert back with the requester. Hey requester, the requested package is not available in the central repo, RHEL repo. Then their headache. Okay, you are not bother about it. If it is not available, simply revert to that email, tell that the package is, respective package is not available in the central repo. That's it. Okay, clear? Clear guys? So pretty easy guys, concepts and all. You might already familiar with that. But so here you should know what are the commands you should use. That's it. Okay. Very, very simple. So majorly we have two types, right? One is online, another one is the offline. That's it. As I told, don't encourage. Of course, there is a possibility. There is a command. There are commands to install offline also. That also you should know, because if your manager said that okay, you can go and install with offline, then you have to do it, right? Then you should know the offline commands also, right? So we will be discussing. Don't worry. But as real time, nobody prefer to install the packages in offline. Okay, fine. In the history session, I explained Linux is a open source. Okay, Linux is a open source. So many people downloaded this Linux and they developed. Correct. So how many distributions we have? What are the major distribution? One is RHEL, what we are using right now. Then CentOS, someone told Ubuntu, Fedora. It's not Kali. Okay. Anyhow, Kali Linux, Mac OS. Who said Mac OS? Harisha. I think so. There is no Mac Linux. Okay. Mac OS is different, man. That is Android, Apple OS. Okay. Okay. C Linux and few other SUSC Linux. These and all. Okay. But major are RHEL, CentOS, Ubuntu. You remember. Okay. And we have AWS Linux also. Correct. AWS also having their own Linux. This is also remember. Fine. Hmm. That is different scenario. Okay. Fine. So these are the distributors, right? So here for online, okay. So you can focus on the online only. Okay. So here commands we need to use, right? Commands only we need to use. So what are the commands means? Majorly there are two types of commands, guys. YUM and APT. Only two commands when in the online. Okay. These both are for online only. Online. Then offline. Okay. Offline only one command, which is RPM. This we will be discussing later. At this moment, you just focus on the YUM and APT. Okay. Yellow dog update manager. Okay. YUM means. APT means application package transist, I think so. I don't know exactly. You can find out in the Google, guys, what is APT means. Okay. Fine. So here both are supporting for the online installation. Here out of these all distributions, right, only few distributions only, okay, supporting for these two. So YUM means it will work on only, okay, so YUM will work on only RHEL, CentOS and AWS Linux. Okay, this YUM only works on these distributors only. Then what about APT means? APT, Ubuntu, Fedora and these other Linuxes. Okay, so these all are Debian family. Okay, so APT will work on Ubuntu and Fedora only. It won't work on the APT won't work on the this RHEL, CentOS and AWS. Okay, so remember this is also interview question. Will this YUM will work on the Ubuntu? No, it won't work because Ubuntu distributors are Ubuntu operating system is won't support for the YUM. Then what will it will support means it will support only on the APT. That's it. Okay. So remember guys, this point very important. It will only work on YUM will work on the RHEL, CentOS or AWS Linux. Okay. So remember. So now we install RHEL, right? Now we will go and use the YUM. Okay. And one more note. What is the note means? So the note is you must install the package with help of the root user only. Okay. So note is normal users. I mean you must go with root user only. Of course, normal user also can install. Okay, but that is not at all recommended. Okay, you must go with root user only for any software installations, for any package installations. Execution in the sense that is not only for the installation. Installation is different, execution is different. Okay, don't merge with the permissions. So what I am trying to say is you must go with root user only for any package installation. Okay, so root user is, who is the root user? Our admin is super user, right? So you must execute the commands with hash. That's it. Okay, remember this point. Of course, normal user also can install the packages. Remember this point also, but that is not at all recommended. Okay, fine. Fine. Now we will jump into the command and syntaxes, options, those and all. Okay, clear so far? This is our regular activity, guys. So here, see, as per my note, right? So no one can access the root user, only administrators only. So definitely people reach out to you for any software installation in the real-time projects. You might be getting plenty of requests. Hi, see how many major teams we have, guys? In the server, what are the major things running? One is application, another is the database. Correct. So what are the major teams? Application team, database team. And QA team. QA means testing team, correct? Along with the DevOps team also nowadays crucial guys. DevOps guys also playing crucial role nowadays. Okay, so nobody having the root access. Then who is having? OS team only. Everybody, everybody reaching to the OS team and asking for the any request. So what are the applications? What are the packages means? They will ask Java, they will ask Nginx, they will ask Apache. Okay, so these are the application team related softwares. Then database, SQL, MySQL, okay, PSSQL, MongoDB, MongoDB, sorry, okay. So these are the database related applications, Oracle, okay. So these are all it. Then QA, some testing related, okay. So some testing related applications. Then DevOps, there are plenty of tools are there. DevOps, Maven is there, Docker, Jenkins, okay, Maven, SonarQube, many, many are there, Kubernetes. See, many softwares are DevOps related things. Fine. So these all people are for their softwares, they will reach out to the OS team only. Okay, fine. So that's it for today. Okay. So tomorrow I will go with the commands, say YUM commands and options, how to use, and practically I will show you how to install the package. And before installation, I will show you, I mean during the installation, I will show you how it is downloading also. This how it is downloading, what are the things, what are the dependencies, all the things we will see practically. Okay, guys. Any questions now so far? I'm audible, guys. Hello. Yeah, Ishwar. Mm. Mm. Go ahead, go ahead. Okay, okay. Mm. Mm. Go ahead. Mm. Mm. Yes. Go ahead, go ahead. Mm. Mm. Okay. I think somewhat you are not clear. See, there are two commands. As you said, read and echo. So here, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this part? Okay. So echo is the command. Whatever you are typing in between double quotes, right? Blindly it will throw that output. That's it. That is the echo. Okay. It is not taking the input from the user. See, always all commands are inputs from the users only. Okay. So here after the echo, whatever you are giving here, right? This will be blind, it will display. Even last festival, I forwarded one message. There was a guy written the Happy Pongal in the Happy Sankranti in the Java language or C language maybe. But I asked you to same message. You can go with the Linux command. Harish sent, I think Harish, right? Simply so echo Happy Sankranti. That's it. Execute. It will show. Fine. So now coming to read command. Let me finish. Read command is the command sometimes while executing the scripts, right? Okay. So while executing the scripts, you can go and create one script and execute. The script, it needs the user inputs. That time it will work. Okay. That time explicitly they defined, say, like you defined A, okay, and you defined B. In the script you given the blank, okay. So finally A plus B, this is the output you want. So the moment you execute the command, right, the script, right, it will prompt for the enter the value of A. Then you can type 1. Then again it will go and it will ask for the enter the value of B. Then type. Then you can give summation of A plus B equal to 3. This is the output. So likewise in the scripts, majorly people are using the read command. Hmm. That later we'll discuss. We have a cron jobs. There is a topic cron jobs. That time I will explain more about this echo. Okay. So until you can pass your question. Hmm. Others, any other question, Ishwar? So I really appreciate your doubts actually. This will be very interesting. Yeah. So go ahead. You can go. You can come up with more queries. I'm happy to answer you. Okay. And one more advice for you. Only ask and quit from these questions, right? That is not sufficient to provide the gain the knowledge. So you can list out. So today's date 20th Jan. So what are your queries? What I replied? Everything you can document. So far you asked many questions. Have you documented all? Don't give. Don't go with partial. Go with all. Okay, not only your doubts, other doubts also. Other people also asking sometimes, right? So maintain all the doubts in one paper, one notes. End of the course, again we will walk through those doubts. That's it. That is your interview. The doubts, queries, those only your interview questions. That's it. Okay. So try to document not only yourself, Harish, Anil, Sudhakar, Balu, Mansoor, Sadia, everybody should. So this is the way, the preparation way. Okay. Then only you will be gaining the knowledge. Once you gain the knowledge, right? That's it. Interview cracking is dead easy. Okay. Any other questions? Others? Okay, guys. I'm stopping the recording.